So it is about to rain. I don't know why I'm filming this now, but I guess it just shows how impatient I am because I haven't opened this yet. Okay, this is like a weird start. I got my Ipsy bag for May, and I have not, wait, it's really hot. I need AC. Ugh. Oh, okay. Oh, this is awkward. This would happen to me today. We're getting a screen put onto our like patio, onto the doors, you know, like screen doors for outside. Yeah, so the guy is currently putting them on. He probably can hear me too, but it's really awkward because my window is the first window of my like house thing, so that's all they can see is me filming. So this month I challenged myself not to look at what was inside my bag, so I seriously don't know what's in here, and I've waited a month. So I'm very impatient. Okay, he's leaving. Yes. I'm so excited. But yeah, it's about to pour, and I probably shouldn't be filming this right now, but I am, so sorry. This is so cute. All I saw for this month was the bag. It's so cute. I love this shade too. Oh my God. Oh, he's back. Why is he working when it's like about to pour? I'm excited. So, oh, the bag smells like coconuts. Okay, anyway, that's that. I never look at those. I got a beauty blender that's actually really squishy. Okay. So this is probably what it smells like. Oh yeah, it is. Okay, so this is Nelson Beverly Hills Moisture Healing Mask for your hair. I never use hair masks because my hair is very healthy. I put like deep conditioner in it all the time and it's extremely healthy, so I don't need this, but this is exciting. It detangles, controls frizz, prevents hair color fading, don't need that. Seals split ends, protects from chlorine and salt water, which, I mean, I kind of like salt water damage because it like makes your hair lighter, so, but it's closed. It smells really good. So I mean, I might use this summer, you know, because I'm gonna go to the beach a lot and swim pools probably, so that's exciting. Packaging looks like weird, but it's a soft matte lip cream from NYX in the shade Canes. It's actually a really pretty color. Let's hope I don't chip my nail polish. Okay, I don't like biting stuff, so. Okay, I'm too scared to open this because I really don't want to chip my nails. Then I got the Nomad. Okay, so another intense eyeshadow. I really hate Ipsy right now. Like, I have enough eyeshadow. Why do they keep sending me stuff? Also, Nomad reminds me of another Cinderella story where his name is like Nomad something, or yeah, I don't remember. Okay, anyway, so more eyeshadow because I don't have enough apparently, but the packaging's really cute. Like, I love bronzers and stuff, so I thought this was maybe like a mini bronzer. No, it's eyeshadow. Can you guys guess what shade it is? Bronze. Again, copper. It smells good though. Are you kidding? Like, it's pigmented and soft, but come on, that looks like poop. The Kenzie Loving Life, what is this? They gave us a coupon, how cute, thank you. Sorry, I'm very angry right now. What is this? Perfume? Who said I want perfume? Not me. It smells like a mom. Like, I'm genuinely really upset right now. I smell like a mom, and I have mom eyeshadow shades and lip colors because this is a very like mom type of color. Maybe not, like more like nice mom kind of. It smells really good. It's pink. colors. It's literally like pink. Oh my god. What is this? Is this a neutral shade? No. Okay, like they could have given me London by NYX because I have that color and it's my favorite, or they could have given me the shade that's lighter than London, but no. I get this. I specifically told them I don't like pinks, like I like nudes. If it was this color, okay, but it's literally like more pink than the bottle color. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope it was entertaining. There's the guy still working on his stuff. He's giving a nice shadow. He's blocking the light. What, did you see his shadow like right there? Yeah. Okay. Hope you guys have a good day. I hope you had a good Ipsy bag. Go follow me on Instagram. I love Instagram. And I went to St. Augustine, so I have some pictures up so far, but not a lot. But I have more to post, so.